Hi everyone, my name is Julien Lozy and I'm a French scientist at the Subaru telescope. Subaru is the Japanese telescope on Maunakea. At Subaru, I work on an instrument that takes pictures of exoplanets. That's the planets that rotate around other stars than the Sun. During my spare time, I like to do a lot of papercraft, especially origami, like this one or this one. And at Subaru, I also like to do a lot of outreach. And recently we had a program that's called Journeys Through the Universe, where people from the telescopes are sent in different classrooms around the Big Island and Maui. And during that program, I like to teach the kids how to fold a star in origami. So today I'm going to show you how to fold this star. So grab a piece of origami paper, or if you have any type of paper you can cut in a square, that would be fine. So if you have two colors like this one, you're gonna start with the color in the bottom, and we're gonna start by folding the diagonals of the square. That's one diagonal, and the second diagonal. Okay, now we open the paper and now we have the color on top. And we're gonna fold again in two, but this time to make two rectangles. Like this. And like this. So we open again, and then you push at the center and you get some kind of pyramid like this. So we're gonna close this pyramid to get a triangle. And this triangle is called the water-borne base. So you have four flaps like this. So now we're gonna take one flap and fold so that the edge here align with the central crease. Like so. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And now we're gonna flip the paper over and do the same thing on this side. So both flap align with the central crease. Okay, now we get some kind of arrowhead shape. Okay, so now we're gonna open all these flaps, go back to the triangle, and now we're gonna do the same thing, except now this edge we're gonna align to this new crease that we created. So you just go a little further and you fold on the crease. Okay, and now this edge we're gonna align to this crease here, like this. Okay, so we're not creating a new one, a new crease, we're just folding this one backwards like this. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. That's going to be a little easier. So we bring this point and we align to that point that we just folded, like this. And now this edge we're going to align with this crease, like this. So now we have some kind of airplane. We're gonna flip that over and do the same thing on this side. So now this edge we're gonna align with this edge, and the point's gonna align with the other point. And now we do the same thing when we align this edge with this edge, so the 2 points align.
And finally the same thing on this guy, so we align here with the other points, and then we fold to align with this point. And now we have some kind of rocket ship. The last fold, that's the tricky part. We're gonna bring these 2 points up, and it's gonna open a little pocket here. This little pocket, that's gonna open it into a square. So you bring the 2 points up, not too high. You fold down the 2 sides, and then you collapse that square at the center. And you can adjust the angle of the points. There you go. And now you flip over and you get a shiny star in your sky. So feel free to pause on the video if I went a little bit fast on these steps.
Okay, I hope you managed to finish this origami. So if you have any question, or if you want to show us the result, you can post the picture and put the hashtag MKO_at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.